In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy Solana or Sol on Axiom. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are on the dashboard, I want you to hover on the top right corner because there is a drop down and I want you to click the Solana first. This will open up the trading panel dedicated for Solana wallet. Now, for you to be able to buy any Solana here in Axiom, you need to click the deposit. This will allow you to purchase supported cryptocurrencies directly within Axiom using one of integrated payment providers. All I have to do now, from the deposit option, you want to make sure to choose Sol and receive on Sol. Alright, for example, it's on ETH. Sometimes by default, the receive on is on BSC. You want to make sure to change all these into Sol or Solana. And then all I have to do now is click the copy address. And what will happen is you want to make sure to also check the buy through on Ramper. This is going to be one of the integrated payment provider. And you need to provide the amount that you wanted to buy. For example, let's say we're going to choose this one. It will automatically forward you the equivalent to US dollars or your base currency. And once you are sure about the amount, all I have to do now is click the buy and you will be forwarded to the payment provider's official page wherein you need to complete all the details and follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can buy Solana on Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.